Stay tuned to see how I achieve this beautiful, colorful wash and go. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful, colorful wash and go using all products from CurlSmith. So I am debating dyeing my hair. So I figure what better way to try out some colors than with using some temporary colors, no commitment, no damage to your hair, just cute, fun colors that wash out in one wash. So let me show you what products that I use and then we'll get into how I style this look. So I started off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. And then I went in with the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, which is a styling cream for curly and wavy hair. It defines, adds bounce, soft hold, and elasticity. So this is the first product that I used. And then I went in with the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly, which is a styling gel for curly and wavy hair. Has a medium hold, it's lightweight and airy definition. Then last but not least, the star of the show, I used the hair makeup, and this is my first time using CurlSmith hair makeup. I've tried temporary hair colors before. You can see those. I'll post some links of those up above in the card somewhere. But this is my first time trying the hair makeup, and I am completely obsessed. So this is the color Copper. And these results, they speak for themselves. So let me give you a quick 360 and then we'll get into the details of how I styled this hair. So I did stretch it a little bit with my dryer, and I did also go in with a little bit of the fragrance-free Shine Oil from CurlSmith. And I use that to scrunch out the crunch a bit. And yeah, let's just get into these details. Keep on watching. here are my final results, and I am absolutely obsessed. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this color. I'm absolutely thinking that copper is definitely my color. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.